If you're starting from zero, growing a YouTube channel in 2025 might feel impossible, but AI has made it easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers using smart AI workflows. The secret isn't just uploading, it's systems. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT for research, OpusClip for fast short repurposing, and Midjourney or Leonardo for thumbnails. Step 1. Use AI to analyze viral videos in your niche. Let ChatGPT summarize their structure, what kind of hooks, tone, and visuals they use. Step 2. Build your own AI production line. Write scripts in ChatGPT, edit with Pika Labs, schedule posts with TubeBuddy. Next, automate your analytics. Let an AI script analyze your watch time, comments, and audience retention daily. You'll instantly see what works, and what doesn't. The final step, consistency. AI can give you speed, but you must show up. Publish weekly, test often, and let data guide you. Anyone can go from 0 to 100K now, if you use AI not as a shortcut, but as a creative multiplier.